if you have 4.5 liters of gas at 35 degrees Celsius, what temperature is it if you expand it to 9 liters at constant pressure? Well, they could have given you temperature and volume like they did here. They could have given you temperature and pressure. They could have given you pressure and volume, just changed one and asked what the new one was. So I'm going to solve this the way I would solve any question just like this. Although this could be pressure and that could be temperature and this could be volume and all that stuff. What I like to do when I have a change in gas is use the formula P1V1 over N1RT1 equals P2V2 over N2RT2. Now notice this is just the gas law PV over itself nRT. But the first is for your initial conditions and the second is for your final conditions. But before you plug numbers in, you can cross out the things that stay constant from one side to another because they're on both sides. They don't play a role here, they cancel each other out. They told us that the pressure is constant, so we can eliminate pressure from this. R is the gas constant and it appears on both sides. We can cross it out. And they haven't told us that we added or took away any molecules or moles, so that means the number of moles of substance is also constant. And all of a sudden, this is the formula that you're looking to use. This might be Boyle's law or Charles's law. I never learned what those were, just because I can always do it this way. Let's take a look. My first volume turned out to be 4.5 liters. My first temperature turned out to be 35 degrees Celsius. Now, to convert that to Kelvin, I need to add 273. My final volume is 9 liters, and my final temperature is what I'm looking for. Now we just need to solve this equation. I'm going to cross multiply. 4.5 T2s is equal to 9 times whatever that turns out to be. I could do it on my calculator. And then to solve for T2, I just divide both sides by 4.5. Alright, cool. So, here we go. On my calculator, can you see what I'm typing? You can. 9 times 35 plus 273 divided by 4.5, I get 616. Now that's in Kelvin, remember. We solved for T, and T is always in Kelvin when you're doing gas stuff. To put it in Celsius, you subtract 273, and I get an answer of 343 degrees Celsius. So, the answer is, if I start with 4.5 liters of gas at 35 degrees Celsius and it expands to 9 liters, the temperature becomes 343 degrees Celsius, as long as the pressure stays constant. Best of luck.